So, Jason, how long have you been in business?
So we started officially April of 2022. So we're just over that 2.5 year mark.
Mhm.
So we're still pretty new, still kind of learning the ins and outs and definitely been some learning curves. But yeah, 2.5 years.
Tell us a little bit about the junk removal authority services that you're currently using.
So right now, I believe I've got the silver package
Hmm.
for the SEO. I've had a really good experience with, especially the last year and a half working with Shane. It's been great because I feel like I can actually get some customer service and some response rates really back. So if I need some adjustments or if I don't understand anything,
Yeah.
I, I mean, I haven't even shopped around. I can't imagine there's another service out there that would be able to, because I mean, if I don't like, for example, I didn't even have my call rail set up. I just didn't know we had that. And Shane was like, gets on the phone with me and sets it right up immediately. So as far as my experience, I've had a great experience with JRA.
So, what's kind of been like the growth rate of your company that you've seen from when you first opened? Was it 2022 you got open?
Yeah. So we started April 2022
Hmm.
and we did about 240,000 in about 8 months.
Hmm.
And then the next year we did 540 and that was our first calendar year last year. So
Hmm.
2023. And then this year, if we can hit, I'd like to hit 850,000 for
Hmm.
the year. We're really, I don't know if it's just kind of a weird season, but if we can hit 850, I'd be ecstatic. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, it'd be a good year for just 3 years in or whatever. That'd be excellent. Definitely a very good growth trajectory that you're on. So if somebody contacted you about, they're interested in using JRA services, what would you tell them?
I'd probably have them. Oh, well, first I would just tell them to reach out to Shane. But I would let them know, I would just tell them to get on a call and talk to you guys. I would say probably my number, the SEO and the Google and the website ads management would be the probably the number one reason to go with you guys. And then especially with getting top of the line trucks, I mean, I've kind of looked around just to see what's out there.
Yeah.
You guys have awesome trucks, man. It's just the fact that you can set up the financing with your
Yeah.
partners.
Mhm.
That would be like this very close second, but that'd be the other reason why. And then of course the customer service, especially this last year, I've really been happy with.
Yeah.
So those would be my three main reasons why to work with you guys.
Yeah. About a year and a half ago or so, there was a few little bumps in the road here or there, but we got that fixed relatively quickly. It's been, I guess, a couple years ago. So I'm glad everything's been going smoothly with you. You've been with us for a good little while, and we're very, very appreciative. And thank you for getting on and doing this video. I guess before we wrap up, if obviously we have a lot of people that watch this channel that are thinking about getting in the junk removal business or just getting into it, what's one thing that you would tell somebody before they go off and start a junk removal company?
Sit down and run the math, financially prepare for it. I think that is, even though I was feel really good with the numbers, and then,
Yeah.
I did have a lot of capital,
Yep.
and like if something bad happened, I've got a lot of money to back it up.
Yeah.
You got to financially prepare for it because I think that would be the main thing. Is because I mean you could be a great business owner, but I mean you're going to run through these ups and downs, and you just have to be able to financially. I think a lot of it is you're just going to make so many mistakes,
Yeah.
and so if you have no money to back it up, I would say that'd be the first one, and then just kind of like the mental fortitude. I ran a sales team for a lot of years, but it
Right.
still didn't prepare me to actually run in my own business.
Yeah.
So I would say having the resilience to run, even it's just a small business. I mean, it's tough.
No, it
So
definitely is. And you're starting to get enough size to you too. You're getting, what do you have? You probably have 6 or 8 guys working for you now.
so I've got 5 guys. I did have 7.
Yep.
One of them didn't work out. One of them or sorry, a couple of them didn't work out. But now with 5 guys, I can still have them go do the jobs, and I would say I'm 90% off the trucks,
Mhm.
which was the big goal.
Yep.
And the only reason I'm still on the trucks is because I do enjoy it. Like I like getting out there and doing the junk removal.
Well, Jason, thank you so much for getting on. I appreciate your time. However, we can help you, just let us know.
Okay.
And yeah, again, thanks for coming on.
Yeah. Thanks, Lee. Appreciate it.